Question number 1. Which African country has the most pyramids? The correct answer is option D, Sudan. Question number 2. Which is the only continent without a desert? The correct answer is option A, Europe. Question number 3. What is the largest island in the world? The correct answer is option C, Greenland. Question number 4. Who was the first president of the United States? The correct answer is option A, George Washington. Question number 5. What empire was ruled by Genghis Khan? The correct answer is option D, Mongol Empire. Question number 6. How many permanent members are in the UN Security Council? The correct answer is option B, 5. Question number 7. Which two countries share the longest international border? The correct answer is option A, Canada and the USA. Question number 8. Which country has the oldest written constitution still in use? The correct answer is option D, United States. Question number 9. Which city is known as the financial capital of the world? The correct answer is option A, New York City. Question number 10. Which country is the largest exporter in the world? The correct answer is option B, China. Question number 11. What element does O represent on the periodic table? The correct answer is option C, oxygen. Question number 12. Where were the first modern Olympic Games held? The correct answer is option D, Athens. Question number 13. Which country introduced the world's first paper money? The correct answer is option B, China. Question number 14. What is the study of earthquakes called? The correct answer is option A, seismology. Question number 15. Which game is known as the king of sports? The correct answer is option A, football. Question number 16. Which country invented table tennis? The correct answer is option D, England. Question number 17. What is the most widely used social media platform as of 2025? The correct answer is option B, YouTube. Question number 18. Which country is known for inventing pizza? The correct answer is option B, Italy. Question number 19. What is the most popular tourist destination in the world? The correct answer is option D, France. Question number 20. Which city is home to the famous landmark, the Taj Mahal? The correct answer is option A, Agra. Question number 21. Which country is most famous for its cherry blossom trees? The correct answer is option A, Japan. Question number 22. Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? The correct answer is option B, Italy. Question number 23. Which is the nearest star to Earth after the Sun? The correct answer is option A, Proxima Centauri. Question number 24. What natural disaster is measured using the Richter scale? The correct answer is option A, earthquake. Question number 25. Which tree produces the world's most expensive wood? The correct answer is option C, agar wood. Question number 26. Which insect is responsible for the pollination of most plants? The correct answer is option C, bee. Question number 27. What is the symbol for the chemical element sodium? The correct answer is option A, Na. Question number 28. Which city has the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa? The correct answer is option B, Dubai. Question number 29. Who composed the music for the movie The Lion King? The correct answer is option D, Hans Zimmer. Question number 30. Which scientist developed the theory of evolution? The correct answer is option A, Charles Darwin.